Hello everyone, this is Devan and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be suggesting you 7 gift ideas for your fellow MBAs, for your fellow marketers. I'll be suggesting you 7 books that I personally enjoyed and I want you all to enjoy too. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the videos. The first book is Malcolm Gladwell's The Tipping Point. The Tipping Point is a book that talks in detail about word of mouth marketing, that explains word of mouth marketing like no other book does. In my previous videos about books, I talked about the book Contagious by Jonah Berger. This Tipping Point is a much wider extension of the book. It talks about why certain things catch on, why certain messengers are important in spreading new messages, why some messages stay with people, and many other things related to word of mouth marketing. So if you are into marketing or in general business, this is one book you should have. Malcolm Gladwell is an author that you cannot miss if you are in marketing, if you are in business. So I would suggest The Tipping Point for each of you. The second book in the series is Poor Economics by Dr. Abhijit Banerjee and Dr. Esther Duflo. In this book, they talk about their experimentation, they talk about the country's economy, they talk about poverty. There are many things I liked about this book and I'll tell you why a marketer should read this. They talk about poverty traps, how poor people, they take loan and being unable to pay, they continue residing in the poverty trap and they have no way to escape it. While if someone invests the money they take as a loan wisely, they have options to come out of the poverty trap. So they give suggestions based on how best to use money, how best to distribute money amongst the poor so that they are able to come out of the poverty trap. Now, how will marketers benefit from this book? The results the authors came to was by the virtue of many experimentation, many control group, many A by B testing. They talk about RCT methods of experimentation. So their methodology is one thing we marketers can adopt. Their methodology is one thing that can help us in our market research activities. They were able to understand psychology of the poor people, like why they spent on somewhere else when they should have spent on their health, why they take loans that does not benefit them. So they answer it in such a human way. They decode the psychology in such a beautiful way that it becomes must read for anyone who deals with human beings. And as marketers, human beings, human psychology is one of our most important factors for our success and failures. So Poor Economics is a book you should not miss, whether you're an economist or not, whether you're a marketer or not. The world is a much better place than we give it credit for. This was proved by none other than Hans Rosling in his book Factfulness. And this is the third recommendation of this video. What I liked about the book was not only was it optimistic in nature, but also it had an analytical approach to it. They present facts before you saying that why the world is in much better place and why the world is progressing towards an even better world. They compare developed countries with developing countries. They compare developing countries with their past and prove that every country has made progress in some of the other factors and why we should cherish this development and not complain. They compare ourselves to chimpanzees and tell us how chimpanzees will score better than us when they asked about where the world is going. It also talks about how meaningless comparisons should be avoided and meaningful comparisons should be done. Over the 10 chapters, you will find it is filled with positivity, it is filled with analytics, it is filled with facts. Also, when I read the last part of the book about the author saying that the author Hans Rosling could not see launch of the book, he passed away even before the book was released. So that kind of made me sad, and I felt like this wonderful book, and the person who gave me this insight, who opened my eye, wasn't able to see the success of the book. So that is one thing I really felt bad about. But his son writes that he was able to see the final draft and he was satisfied with the material that has been developed over the course of the time. So that man did a lot of research, a lot of work to bring out this book, and I think that you should give it a try, and it's my promise you will not be disappointed. In one of my previous videos, I talked about affiliate marketing and how to do it, what are the things you need to keep in mind. So if you haven't watched these videos, do watch those videos. The fourth book that I am going to refer to you talks in detail about affiliate marketing, in detail about network marketing. It is Robert T. Kiyosaki's Business of the 21st Century. This is my first book by Robert Kiyosaki. I haven't read Rich Dad Poor Dad. The book talks about the 4 quadrants of money making: the employer, the self-employed, the businesses and the investors, and how in order to become rich, in order to make our money work for us, and how if we want to stop trading time for money, what are the quadrants that we need to focus on, on. This book gives a detailed instruction on how to do it. It is a wonderful read. Second part of the book talks about network marketing, affiliate marketing, how we can use our assets to develop our networks, how we can use our friends, how we can use our knowledge, how we can use our connection abilities, how we can use our communications, how women in the household can use their network to earn some money. It talks in detail about all those things. Now, all the points were not too convincing for me, but I will leave that to you to read and decide whether the book is for you or not. But if you are interested in network marketing and want to know in detail about it, this is one book you can try. The next book in the series is by my favorite marketer, Al Ries. So Al Ries and Laura Rice together came up for writing this book, 22 Immutable Laws of Branding. In this, they talk about how brand should be built, how brand should avoid being diluted, how brand should tend, how brand should contract, whether they should contract or whether they should expand or not through these 22 laws. This is a level deeper into marketing domains. This is not a basic book. So if you're interested in branding, or you work for a brand, or you work in branding, this is one book you can have as a ready reckoner, you can have as a reference book, so you can turn to this book whenever you feel like. Corporate Chanakya by Radhakrishnan Pillai is the sixth book I would be recommending you. It talks about leadership, it talks about businesses, it talks about marketing and many other facets of business. So if you're interested in a corporate career, if you're interested in having your business, if you're interested in marketing, if you're looking for a career in leadership roles, if you have a career in leadership roles, this is one book you should not miss. The last book in the series is a finance book. Now, I know the recommendations were supposed to be for marketers, but I was a marketing student and I had tough time remembering everything related to finance. I had a tough time remembering what is income statement, what is balance sheet, what is cash flow statement, what are assets, what are liabilities. So I had to do a little more hard work in adopting them, using them in my exam. There were some compulsory courses. So that book came in really handy, because being a marketer, if I am supposed to take a finance decision, if I am supposed to understand financial reports, I will be facing some difficulty, and that book can ease my effort. That book can ease my trouble a little bit. So that book is not for finance people because they already know that, but it is certainly a good handbook to have for marketers. So that was my recommendation for you to gift any marketer or gift yourself. So let me know what are the books you have read or you are going to gift it to your friends, your colleagues, your fellow MBAs, your classmates. And if you have read any of these books, do let me know how you feel about them in the comments. If you have any other book suggestion for me, do let me know that too. If you love my suggestion, do share this video with as many people as you can, so that they also get a chance to know about these books and read these lovely pieces. All the books that I mentioned are under 300 rupees, so you can buy and gift it to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I keep coming up with more and more marketing or business related videos for everyone. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep marketing.